So Rainy, she's from Bada, and now she'll talk to because I'm so happy to hear what and where she has like reached up.
Yeah.
So Rainy, tell me your journey.
So hi, my name is Rini and I'm currently a third year law student at NLU Nagpur. And when I was in 10th grade, I was so confused about what to do in my life. I really haven't thought about what I'm gonna do. I was so confused and in dilemma. Then I came to you, ma'am. Then I took this aptitude test and it showed psychology. And I was like, oh my god, like that was so unexpected for me. I never thought that, I could be something good at like psychology and stuff. And I was also quite interested in law and public policy. And I really wanted to do that too. So I basically, still have this passion for psychology. Ever since, I heard of the fact that, I could be good at psychology, that thing has ever been in my mind. I would really wanna, pursue something in psychology. Even right now when I'm doing law, I think of, my future with psychology. Is that maybe I could graduate in law and, pursue psychology further. Probably intersection of forensic law, criminal mindset and stuff like that. So this test has actually really helped me a lot in me. It kind of, shifted my focus to something which I've never thought about. And now I'm trying to, look at it through that way. And so basically that's it. And yeah.
And I'm very happy to hear that, you could find a very streamlined, structured path also. And rather, you also have that hint. Means, what do we do at our Know Your Talent? We just don't give you 1, 2, 3, 4 options. We give you that vision.
Yeah.
That what are your niche and what kind of, expertise or fields can be.
Yeah.
So fields will come and go, degrees will come and go, trends will come and go, but you will always survive and thrive with your niche. And this is where I am really happy that you kept that thing in your mind that this people's psych understanding. Even you can be very good into criminal investigation,
Yeah.
and then that coroner and all.
Right.
Probably that could be someone who would just interrogate and you would know ki ye kya hai karke. Even criminal psychological speciality with the law will be giving you another edge altogether.
Yeah.
So yes, I mean you have got that vision in you. You're keeping that vision with you. So there's no doubt that you do really tremendous. But I'm very happy that you got selected for NLU.
Thank you so much.
And I know that the next Bobre is coming now from Nagpur again.
Yeah.
Next CGI, we have got Nagpurian has got 2 CGI in last 10 years. So there are many more is to be coming. Thank you.